Our next award is for the Young Leader of the Year, Data Science and Cyber Security. And the award goes to Mr. Sanket Shikhar, Head of Business Operations and Partnerships, 𝐒𝐳 Information Technology.
Hello and welcome to the Leaders Award 2024. Could you please tell us your name?
Yeah, hi, my name is Sanket Shikhar.
Sanket, what do you do?
I work in the space of artificial intelligence.
Wow. Which award you got?
Well, I've been awarded with the Young Leader of the Year in Data Science and Cybersecurity.
Oh, that's very nice. And what motivates you?
The smiling faces that I get when I started training people. I have trained more than 10,000 people already and helped them succeed, and that's from more than 30 countries. So, at the end when I see smiling faces, people achieving their dream goals, it feels like I have spent my time in the right direction. So.
That's really great to know from you. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to have you here. Thank you. Congratulations.
Yeah.